Danika Haines, and I'm a student support specialist at Hillside Elementary. Last year, I volunteered at another 4th grade class at Highland, and I loved it, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to continue this year. Whenever I was little, I wanted to be a teacher, so this was great. I come in from 9:30 to 11:30, and I come in during math, so I help them with their study island or on their computer, and then at this time we're doing reading, so they have their books that they're reading, and I kind of help them with the words if they have trouble reading them and stuff like that. One day, I normally come in the morning, and I came in the afternoon one day, and the kids had no idea that I was even coming in that day, so whenever they saw me walking up, they got so excited and their face brightened. Definitely patience. It takes a lot just to come in. Even for 2 hours, you have to have a lot of patience, and it's not just grading papers or doing crafts all day. You have to actually be with the kids and have that much patience.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Chapman, and I teach 4th grade at Hillside Elementary School. She has been fabulous. She's like that extra set of hands and eyes in the classroom. Danika's right in there with the kids and is willing to help and do anything that I ask her to do. Having the ability to share some knowledge. I'm certainly no expert by any means, but have been at this for quite a few years. And being able to share some of those bag of tricks things that they don't teach young educators in college. And it's really hard to teach. It's just got to come with experience. So I think being able to spend time in the classrooms, work with the students, and get that one-on-one time with the teachers adds to their preparation to entering the educational field. Well, I hope that spending time in our classroom has given her some exposure to some positive teaching strategies and behavior management techniques. Setting those expectations and keeping that bar high and establishing those routines are pretty key to keeping a classroom running smoothly.
I plan to go to Millersville. I committed there and major in elementary education.